Save the conversation till later, okay? So little review. If you have a right angle triangle that is one side, one of the angle is 90. First of all, you gotta identify. If you have that symbol, you have a right angle triangle. If you have something like this, can I call that a right angle triangle? Well, you could guess that that angle is right angle, but that could be close to right angle triangle. So as long as you don't see that symbol, you can't say for sure that that's right angle triangle. All right. Second of all, you have to identify your three sides. Okay, those three sides usually have different lengths. And you have one side called hypotenuse. You have to be able to identify that. The other two are legs. We call them leg. Okay, two legs. One leg, two legs. Right? We can call one side A, one side B. All right. So once you identify that, we know that there is a special formula that applies to right angle triangle. That is a squared plus b squared equal to h squared, h for hypotenuse. So last time we went over some examples on how to solve things. Say, for instance, if I have A being 7 and B being 10, and I'm looking for h, I would then use this formula and apply the numbers that I already know to the formula. So I don't know what h is, so I'm going to write that down first as an h. And I can plug 7 and 10 into either spot. So I could call that 7, call that 10, square that. And then I have 49 plus 100 equal to h squared, 149 equal to h squared. Then you'll be taking the square root, both sides, to find out what that is. And working on so at this point, you're gonna need a calculator because there's no whole number that squares to 149. So calculator, please. Oh, there was a calculator leaving on the table there. I don't know whose calculator this is. Do you want to come and grab it? So can you try that? 100 square 149. Sorry, take a square root of 149. Square root of 149. You have 12, approximately 12.21. Okay, it's 12.206, so rounds up to 12.21. All right, we're gonna go to some numbers here that these are just some numbers that I'd like you to work on right now, and we'll fill in the blank as we go. Okay. Can you work on these questions? I will put a number next to this left. Distribute columns, that's okay. I'll just do that manually. All right, again, if you don't have H, find out H. If you don't have A, find out A. If you don't have B, find out B. Okay, can you do that right now, please? So I have 9 questions. You have some pen and paper, right? Can you please find out what they are? So again, H stands for the hypotenuse. If you're missing the hypotenuse, then you would then what? Square both numbers, add them together, and then you take a square root. You can move yourself closer, Ella. So let's work on this together. Is it too small? All right, so let's work through this. You're gonna need your calculator. It's not gonna be a nice phone number. Right, so I expect everyone to be working and finding out the mean height or hypotenuse.
Oh, you work on.
Oh, you work those questions. You need to have a calculator. There's one on. I don't think you can take a food. Oh yeah, you could. That's my spare one, Sharon. You can take a look at this way. Let's work on this together. Probably make this font bigger. Could I give you a what? Wait. Yeah, maybe I should pause recording on here. Can I pause? There is no pause here.